Cursor is definitely one of the best AI-driven code editors nowadays. It supports both free and paid subscriptions, multiple models, and it's available for multiple platforms. But in order to use it, you absolutely must have an account with them. And in your account page, you can see both usage and spending if you are using paid subscriptions. And overall, it's user-friendly and simple. If you want to check pricing, check these options, go to pricing, and at this moment, Pro version is 20 USD. I'm using free tier, so I'm not going to worry about that part, so check on downloads, select your platform, and in my case I'm going to use a Linux app image. Alright, I'm not going to need my web browser anymore. I'm going to open a directory with my app image and make sure that this file is executable. Alright, I'm going to open in console and I'm going to drag this file, but in order for run it, I'm going to extract this app image. Alright, it's done. So let me show you what is inside of this directory. And now I have to run this app run file. I'm going to check it first. And yes, it's executable. So with my console, I'm going to navigate into this directory. And I'm going to execute app run. Now, if this is your first time running it, you are going to be navigated to Cursor website in order to create account. And Cursor remembers that part from my previous run, so now I'm just going to open directory. Okay, I'm going to open new folder. I'm going to select it. And let us create something. Okay, make file program.c and write in it code in C. I want to get a model of my laptop and to print it as result. At the end, compile that file into program bin and all of that in my local directory. Alright, let's see. Okay, let me review this. I'm going to keep this file. Now I'm going to find view. I need Explorer, File Explorer in here. Yes, we have these two files. Now I'm going to click on view once again. I want to view my terminal, it's in here. And I'm going to run this program.bin. Yeah, my laptop model, it's Latitude 5400. So guys, as you can see, it's really simple to create some application using Cursor. You literally don't need to know any coding in order to use it. It's recommended, of course, but not absolutely necessary. At least not for these simple kind of projects. And let me try something else. Alright, now I want app in Python. I want to query some free and open source temperature API, and I want to get temperature in London. No, I don't want to install any extension. And now it asks me for the permission to run this app. I'm going to run it. And yes, temperature at the moment in London, it's 9.9 Celsius. So I hope that you enjoyed, that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!